Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing CJ Said This About His Parents, Queen and Clarence. Let's get into it.
Y'all, it's 5 in the morning and me and Clarence cannot sleep because it is storming terribly outside. It almost feels like God is like upset. That's how crazy it is outside. The wind's blowing. I mean, the thunder is shaking the house. He's currently, well, he just got the shower. Literally, we haven't had no sleep. I know we're gonna be so tired today. I have to go pick up CJ from the airport at like 12 noon. Legend has an appointment at 11. So your girl and your boy's gonna be tired. I would show Clarence, but I think he's naked right now. But that's what's going on. Current situation. This is how our bed looks right now. It looks crazy. I'm about to actually change the bed, change the sheets right now. Don't ask why, but I'm about to change them. Oh, the alarm went off. Tell them, babe.
We can guess why. I'm glad CJ coming back. Hey Claire.
Got woke up by the alarm.
The alarm went off. We don't know.
The cops came and all that.
That's what I didn't tell you guys. I know I said it was storming, but the way we got woke up was the freaking alarm went off. Like, and it's so super loud. I'm surprised Legend didn't wake up, but like the alarm sounds crazy and it went off. And like ever since then, my heart been beating ass and I can't go to sleep. I have like anxiety.
Poor thing. It will cause you anxiety, especially, you know, the cops come, the alarm company call people. I mean, you know, everybody on alert. Like, thank God everybody okay though. Gee whiz. Storm, alarm, cops, no good. Gee whiz. Well, thank you for recording, girl. I mean, you on top of it, sis.
The people called us when the alarm goes off, and I told them to send the police out because around the same time last year, some people was trying to break into our car. So it's around the same time this year, and I was just like, yeah, send them out, because they said it was like a basement window like open or something. And I asked Clarence, did he have anything open? And he said no. So he grabbed his gun, but he went to go check and nobody was there. So the police came, and yeah, it's just been a night. But I'm about to change the sheets.
It's your boy 5 a.m. Clarence. I'm pretty sure y'all was there when we first bought this bed, and y'all knew that we bought and paid extra for this. How long have we lived here, babe?
We lived here for 2 years so far.
2 years, and tonight, I don't know why, but tonight before we was woken up, Queen made us connect the bed so we can put the top up and we can put the legs up too. So it's like,
you was like uncomfortable.
it's like a hospital bed. We haven't hooked it up in like 2 years. Huh?
How we had to take the batteries out the remote.
Yeah, but
no AAA batteries.
nigga, we don't got no AAA batteries, so we're literally using the same batteries for all 3 of these remotes. We gotta keep switching it remote to remote. When I need to turn off the TV, I gotta take the remotes out the bed TV, out the bed remote to put it in the TV remote. It's just, Queen was laughing at me earlier because she...
Yeah, I'll send them some batteries, all right? Get y'all a battery sponsorship or something. Y'all wrong. Whole thing. That's terrible. Can't watch TV because it's in the bed remote.
She seen me get annoyed.
Why she had batteries on deck at all times?
Queen's doing the back because she had to change the sheets. I wonder why.
Oh my god. I had a little accident. I peed in the bed.
You peed in the bed like a little kid?
Yeah, I had a night terror.
Yeah, you did.
Babe. What can we do right now? I know Clarence said he's hungry. I don't know how.
I'm hungry.
Oh, y'all need to quit scaring Queen like this. That ain't right.
I'm hungry. I'm not gonna lie. I went to sleep hungry. I ate a fruit bowl, like 25% of a fruit bowl before I went to sleep, knowing damn well I was hungry, you know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to be a little, you know, it's 2023. I'm trying to do things a little different, but it's like, my nigga, I'm hungry. Like, my stomach is not letting me go to sleep.
You should just eat some fruits.
Bro, the fruit is not, I tried. The fruit is not cutting it.
Eat more fruit.
I need something that's gonna weigh me down.
Eat a bowl of cereal and fruits.
How about some oatmeal?
Some fruit and oatmeal.
Ooh, some fruit and oatmeal. That sounds fire right now. I would do that. Just waiting for Queen to... Actually, I'm at the help her. Queen is currently taking out the batteries from one remote to put it in the other remote, so then she could put one side of the bed down
a little bit.
A little bit, and then she has to take those batteries out of that remote to put it in another remote to put my side down.
Wait, are you gonna put it all the way down?
No, you don't have to. Just put it a little down.
My thing is,
feel like I'm in the hospital a little bit.
I don't want to feel like I'm in the hospital, but I kind of like the fact that it like goes up and down.
Well, what was the Key and Kill episode? It was like, who got that goodie? Who got that?
Is that your bed doing it? Oh, that's mine.
That's it, sir.
So my leg going down.
Who got that goodie? I got that goodie.
Stupid. There you go. Now it's like kind of even. Oh, this is good. This is good. My leg. Okay. This is good.
It's good, though.
That was good. Like. Alright, quick update. I'm loading up the dishwasher and I look over and this is what Clarence is eating. He got a whole like restaurant oatmeal bowl.
But bro, how was you looking at it though? Every time I'm making something, Queen be like
that's exactly because I look good.
Like she wants something.
You know how to make something look good. For real.
It'd be aesthetically pleasing.
Right. It's 6:45 and this is where we are. I'm done doing dishes. Clarence is you like you about to be knocked. I'm tired too now, but guess what?
And sleep is catching up with y'all.
But you gonna wake up soon.
I'm doing that.
You know?
Come on, let's get some sleep.
Alright, y'all, we about to go to sleep. We'll see y'all. Well, we'll see y'all later.
Hey, legend.
Legend, wanna get dressed? Are you ready to go see Miss Jones?
Yeah!
I love him.
He's excited. He ready to go.
He's excited. Legend, you need to put your seatbelt up over your shoulders. Good job. Did you like your apples?
Yeah. I want some more apples.
You want some more apples? Okay. Well, I'll make sure I get you some more when we get home, okay? So, y'all, I just got some news that CJ has missed his flight. So, while I was supposed to be on my way to the airport to pick him up by 12, I'm waiting on an update to see when the next flight is coming. I think, if I'm not mistaken, she said that there's not a flight until tomorrow, y'all. And he has to start school tomorrow, so... yeah, that just kind of messed up the plan. I want him to open his gifts today, but it's all good. We're gonna figure it out. Hopefully they can get in tonight, though. I'm gonna see if there's like a different airline. I'm waiting on Legend right now. I always come outside for these appointments or these sessions. Nobody really knows this, but Legend has been in speech therapy. He's a little bit like socially reserved and like when talking to people and things like that, and we just want him to be able to communicate the right way at this age. So that's what we do on Wednesdays. Every Wednesday we come to speech therapy. It's still raining outside. I'm hungry. I'm gonna try to get back on my intermittent fasting because I did mess up by eating watermelon at 6 in the morning. I just been messing up the last few days, so I'm gonna try to get back on that. Eat at 12, stop at 8. But yeah, that's the update. So I'll be back with another update soon. All right, y'all. So I just dropped Legend. Don't judge my Crocs. Are they cute, y'all?
I like them. They got her name on them. Y'all see them? I think those are cute. I love Queen. I wonder if she got them from a fan.
I just dropped Legend off to daycare. I am about to walk into this steak and sushi place because I haven't been saying it, but I've been craving like sushi. I wanted to do a sushi roll, but I wanted to only do avocado and cucumber with soy paper. Do you guys have any kind of like bang bang shrimp?
Popcorn shrimp.
Do you have any sauce that's on there?
On the side, that's like spicy mayo.
What about like a sweet chili? So this is what we got going here. We got my sushi. I'm very freaking excited because I haven't had this in a minute. I don't know why they put that bed of lettuce there. Like that was really gonna do something, but I'm about to try it. I just took this.
You trying to make it look like it's food when it's not, but it's nice though. I'm glad she eating healthy. That's good. That intermittent fasting is something else. It's good for you though.
Shrimp, and I dipped it in this sauce. And I put it on top of here. Uh-oh. Y'all don't mind me. My chopstick broke. They got some ghetto chopsticks. Oh my god, bro. Hold on. Quick.
Don't you hate when that happen? You trying to be like, okay, I'm gonna use what they gave me, right? Then they start tripping because they ain't got good quality stuff. Interfering with her eating.
Update. I am on my way to get CJ from the airport. He lands at 4:10. I'll be at the airport at 4:51, but that's okay. I'm so happy that he got to come home. Now he can open his gifts on this vlog. And the sun is shining. I'm feeling good, y'all. I went home to freshen up a little bit. Clarence was getting dressed. We are actually going to look at this house that for the second time that I really love. You guys didn't see it. And I have to ask Clarence if we should show it on this vlog or not, because I know he like to make stuff like separate videos and things like that.
Yeah, y'all should, but you got to be careful. So, I take your word for it. You got to be safe. Make sure nobody don't know where you were going and stuff like that.
But yeah, CJ's gonna open his gifts when he get home. I'm excited to see my baby. He goes back to school tomorrow, so we're gonna get back into the swing of stuff. By the way, I ate the sushi and the shrimp. It was alright. But yeah, that's that. And yeah, your girl's about to go get her baby, her firstborn, okay? Look who's back! Are you ready to open your gifts?
Mommy.
Hey, CJ, I hope you had a Merry Christmas.
Are we coming back?
Huh?
How many minutes are you?
Well, first we're gonna go look at this house. We're gonna go look at this new house we might.
Is it a pool, Mommy?
We can build a pool. First of all,
how you gonna build a pool?
wait, first of all, do you even miss me?
Yes.
You miss Mama? Have a kiss? I missed you. Put in a seatbelt. Y'all, he hopped in the front because it's, because I don't know, it was just moving quick. But
where's Legend,
we're gonna switch it. Legend's at school. I need this person to move out my way. My baby's back. I can't wait for you.
Mommy, you only have 29 more miles left.
Right, I need to get some gas. He always on point about everything. Okay, y'all, let me drive and focus. Let me show y'all something. I'm driving right now with one shoe on and one shoe off. My shoe is literally right here because, baby, I could not keep driving like that. My foot was hurting so bad. But y'all see that McDonald's sign? Do not judge me. But I'm about to get it because the people don't get to the house until like 20 minutes from now, and I need to stop for food. CJ said he wants something. What you doing?
I'm calling.
The money calling?
Clarence.
You call him with money?
Yo.
He found all that money in that compartment. Clarence is one.
Yo, where you at, bro? Alright, bro.
CJ, let me guess what you want.
What?
You want an Oreo McFlurry, don't you? But you need to eat some.
He's so cute. Oh, I'm glad you back, CJ. Look at his face. Like Queen said, just the littlest things get kids excited, and that's the cutest thing ever.
You need to eat some food too with it. You need to eat like some chicken nuggets or something. CJ. CJ, stop! You scaring me. You gotta. Which one you want? Chicken nuggets or you want a burger?
Nuggets. I want a cheeseburger.
I do apologize for the inconvenience, but you'll have to come inside to place an order.
Ooh.
Don't you hate when that happens? Like, I came to the window for a reason. Now I gotta come inside. Ooh, they be burning me up.
Right. Dang, we gotta go inside to place an order? Dang, I don't know. I don't know.
Girl, you better drive on. You don't know where you at. Child ain't safe. You go ahead and drive to the next drive-thru, sis. It's another McDonald's somewhere.
I don't know.
Looks like we're going in. All right, I guess a good thing about going in was that I got to get everything fresh. But, y'all, in my line.
Ooh, them fresh fries, boy. Drop them fresh. Yes, y'all. Y'all comment below about the fresh fries.
And McDonald's always going to have the best fries. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know. Also, I'm going to meet Clarence at the house, so y'all will see him then. I'm gonna ask you first, babe. Should we show them a glimpse of the house, or should we wait till next vlog?
I don't know, cause you want it, so I don't know if we should show him yet. Look, he's telling us to clap.
So as y'all can see, I'm not gonna really show too much, but like, one, it's the echo in here. That's how you know like the ceilings are tall, and it's not done yet. So we would be the first to have been here. We bought this. Tell me what you think about the house so far.
It's good. I like my room.
You ain't even seen it yet. You're so handsome, baby.
This is the washing room.
This is CJ's room. Go in your room.
This is the washing room.
Go in here. Go in. I want to see it.
Mine is upstairs.
Okay, well, go stay in your room.
Clarence said this.
I like how they waited until he got there. They can see what he like about it. That's so sweet. He needs to have a vote.
Mine is upstairs.
Go in there, CJ. Go smell.
Clarence said mine is upstairs.
Y'all both getting too hard. We didn't even get it.
That's your room.
Mommy, it's
You like your room? You can sleep right in here. You can sleep and curl up right here. You can curl up
At least
right
I
here.
can charge my phone. This is my room.
But this one's nice.
CJ said that this is his room. So this shower's your room?
No,
The shower's your room. You can just have this is your room. This is where you sleep.
Would you do like
Go to bed.
Nah, you're not gonna do that.
Good night. Yeah, we're not gonna show this place until we get it. Because we're gonna get it. We're gonna show y'all a house tour. I'm claiming in Jesus' name. Everybody put amen down below in the comments.
Amen, sis. Yes. We claimed it. Name it and claim it, y'all. Yes. I'm hoping they do get it. It looks nice from what I can see. And she really wanted it because they have been there twice and she praying over it. All right, girl.
Right now. Y'all will never guess what just happened.
I'll tell them.
Tell them.
We ran out of gas and we can't drive anymore.
The car literally will not move.
No. Baby boy tried to tell you, girl. You gotta listen to the baby sometime. Oh, no. You know, at least CJ there to protect his mama, though. You know? Because he a big man. He gonna take care of you, girl.
Thank God that Clarence was in front of me because we would have been
Thank God for real. Because it's dark out there. Y'all don't know where y'all at.
doomed. He's on his way to a gas station right now. Thank God I'm on a residential street right now. Oh my God, and the camera battery is about to die. I'm recording off my phone, y'all, because the camera just died. But Clarence is shaking his head at me.
I don't get hot at half.
You ever had to do this?
Never.
Never?
I don't even know if I'm doing it right.
He's trying to read instructions. He don't know how to open the gas thing. Christian laughing at us. Y'all, man. No, it's not funny. I thank God I wasn't somewhere.
Well, you know how to do this?
I think so. I think it's like you gotta like let me see.
Dang, I'm sorry. I don't know what happened. Now that we're home and we have guests in the car,
I'm glad y'all made it home safely. Girl, it happened to everybody. Everybody been close to E. Some people be at E all the time. They live on E, boy. So, I mean, we cool, girl. You got it.
DJ, you ready to open the gifts that are here?
Yes.
So, I just want to say
I'll open this first.
So first, I just want to say hold on. Before we open these gifts, I just want to say that I ordered some more stuff for you, and
Yeah, Ma, you told me in the car.
oh, I did. I'm gonna show you it on the phone after you open these. Legend actually opened one of your gifts already. I told him not to, but he did.
Ma, which one? That one, the snake one?
Yeah, it's like a robo snake.
I know.
It's a robotic.
I know. Ma,
Do you like it?
Can I try it out?
You want to try it out? You want to open your other gifts first?
Okay, I'll open mine.
Yeah, but this like moves across the floor like a real snake. So you could play pranks on people.
Wait a minute. It's a jumping stick. Can I try
Look,
it?
it's a pogo stick.
Can I try it tomorrow, Mommy?
Yeah, you can.
I'll try it today. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here, let me help you. Almost.
Those things are a lot harder than they look. He love it though. He's so athletic.
Have you ever seen someone do this?
No.
Oh, my
Maybe
bad.
he doesn't even know.
Maybe it was a bad gift. Was that a bad gift, CJ?
No, Mommy. I like it, but I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, I don't even think he's
Just like
ever
I
seen
don't know
it.
how to ride it.
You gotta see it to see what it do. I don't even think he knows how.
Hold on, wait. What is that?
It's a spider, Mommy. It's a motor control spider. I can prank Clarence when he's sleeping, crawling on his face,
I'm not
on his
scared.
nose,
No robotic spiders.
and it's gonna bite your nose off. Well, Mike, can I try it?
Hold on. We gotta get actual knives and stuff to open it.
Donuts.
No, you know there's real spiders that big.
Ooh, this is fluffy.
Lovely.
Soccer! I got 3 soccer balls now. What I wanted for Christmas.
It's good. You bring your cleats back?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh yeah, man,
I bought that because that looked cool. Look at the color of it.
and Mommy, it's Puma just like my cleats.
That's cool. You want to come open the rest of your gifts, CJ?
And he got that on camera between the legs.
Oh, got you.
He did nothing.
CJ, you want to open the rest or no?
Yes, after this. Yeah, I want this one heavy.
Oh, dang. Legend opened that one too.
What is it? Is it a tent?
No.
Oh, it's a soccer goal. So I always wanted one of these.
It's a Pokemon belt, so when you put it around your whole waist.
No, Mommy, I always wanted these, and you gotta throw it and then it comes out. What is a
super wubble bubble ball. So like it's like a super huge
No.
put petroleum jelly in the hole. That's kind of
I already knew Queen was gonna go there. Queen! Oh my gosh. Why y'all get Queen this?
that looked kind of wrong.
And then put this
In the wubble hole?
in the hole.
Wow. Yo. Super wubble, you can kiss my bubble.
Mommy?
Go ahead. It's like a bubble, plays like a bubble. Legend gonna be like, bubble. Ooh. 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 See, this is why I can't. Okay, I'm done.
You guys are.
You're gonna break something in a minute.
I got this for him. Yes, yeah. I got this one because Ronaldo is his
I
favorite
didn't teach you,
player.
but
I also got him this. And I got him this.
Bet we play with this ball.
You're gonna be happy. I know you wanna play with your soccer, but I want you to open your clothes. See if you like your clothes.
Okay.
Like pull it out. And like tell us what you got.
This mine?
Yeah.
I want this mine too? Oh, Mommy, I like this one. It's a jacket with short sleeves.
Turn it around. That's the stuff Clarence be wearing.
He copied me.
Clarence bought those for you.
Thank you, Clarence.
Short shorts.
Now what's this?
That's another essentials shirt.
Ma, you got me this.
But that's the essentials one.
Mommy, you did.
Look at the back of it. It's very comfy. I know, but it's
My cap it on right now.
Yeah, you wanna put it on? You wanna try it on? Try it on.
I can wear it.
Oh, you wanna wear it to school tomorrow? You can wear it to school.
Cozy. It's like a blanket.
You think it's cool? You like it?
Yeah.
Yo, this is why I don't get kids clothes. So those pants go with that top. Wanna try them on?
No.
Go ahead. No.
You
don't like them?
Doing too much.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
It's nice, CJ, but you know it's hard for kids. They like what they like, and you know it's like, oh, it's a little dressy. You know, he says too much. It's gonna be cute on.
Baggy.
You don't like how it look?
It's baggy and taggy and saggy and shaggy and...
Okay. You want me to take it back to the store?
No. I like it, but I don't want to try it on right now.
But you do want to wear it, like, in real life. Okay. I forgot this was upstairs. You got a whole nother bag of clothes. And a place. Soccer so bad. That's a North Face hoodie.
A North Face?
A North Face hoodie.
Ma, what's the North Face hoodie?
It's just a brand. You like it?
Ma, what's this? Is this a North store?
This is a cozy
This is a North Face hoodie.
Nordstrom.
Happy. I mean, Nordstrom's.
You like them?
Shirt, yeah.
They're comfortable and cozy. No, CJ, you don't put that on your head. That's
No,
pink.
Ma, I'm just feeling it on my head. Oh, Mommy, I like these.
And that goes with this shirt.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, Mommy, I can make thumb holes in this. Can I make thumb hole it? Oh, I already got one.
Yes, almost.
Can I wear it?
You want to wear it now? And those go with these pants. So it's a very comfy outfit. You want to wear it to school tomorrow?
Yeah.
What? Try it on, try it on.
It's very stretchy, too.
You like it like that?
No way. I look like a real soccer player.
What was your favorite gift so far? Out of all the gifts you got, what was your favorite gift?
I think the soccer goal, the soccer ball. But my first is the soccer goal.
So what about the Ronaldo jerseys and stuff?
That's my second. The ball's about third. But I really want to build it. Can we please build it right here?
I'm gonna try to learn how to build it tonight, okay? All right, y'all, so I just built one of CJ's soccer goals, and this can go outside too, but he plays it in the inside more, so this is perfect right now. CJ, you wanna try to put the ball in? Goal.
Go. Want you play soccer?
Yeah, you wanna do it?
Yeah.
Do you want me to build the other one?
If you want to.
And then that way we can play real soccer?
Yeah.
He's so sweet. If you want to, he know he wanted her too, but he been considerate because she been up all night. Oh, don't you love him? He's so sweet. He getting so big. Oh my gosh, CJ is amazing.
Okay, let me do the other one. CJ just said something so sweet to me. Go ahead, say it again.
My mommy's the best mommy in the world. My daddy is the best daddy in the world. And Clarence is the best stepdaddy in the world.
That's so sweet. Give me a high five. I love you.
Sweet. Oh, that's love. You know, you get a bonus parent. You know, that's just sweet. I love that. He's such a good kid.
Thank you. You're the best, and you're the best son in the world.
And Legend.
Yep.
He's the best brother in the world.
That's so good. I'm so glad that you're happy. It's so good. You ready? Let's build it. All right, y'all. So me and CJ are about to play a game of soccer. This one over here could be my goal. By the way, y'all, the first time it was shorter, I literally had to flip it. I did it wrong, but we're gonna thug it. This is how tall it's supposed to be, just like the other one. CJ, I need to put on shoes so I can properly kick the ball. Let me just slip these on real quick since it was already downstairs. No, you can't even come over here, CJ.
What?
Go. Haha. 1 to 1. It's gonna do the first to 5, okay? CJ, you wanna laugh? You wanna laugh? You wanna laugh? Go. All right, that's considered a goal. It touched a goal. So 1 to 2.
That's not a goal.
All right. 3 to 2.
2 to 2.
Okay, 3 to 2 now. 3 to 3.
He said, just because you my mama don't mean I'm letting up. Go ahead, CJ. He good.
What was that? Yeah. It's 11:22, CJ. And you gotta wake up at 6 in the morning. Come here, CJ. I want a hug. I love you.
Love you too, Mommy.
Did you like your Christmas gifts?
Yes.
You did. I did a good job.
Uh-huh.
You got school tomorrow. You ready?
Yep. Your best steak.
My breath stink?
Yeah.
What does it smell like? What my breath smell like? What does it smell like?
I can't.
Said, don't make me smell it again. See, that's love when you tell your breath stink. Don't do it like that. She had a long day. She didn't get no sleep.
Eleanor.
Let me smell it. What does it smell like? What my breath smell like for real? Let me smell your breath since you want to talk. Let me see. Let me smell your breath. Let me smell your breath. Let me smell it.
Remember when it used to be ticklish? Oh.
Let me smell your breath.
No, you
Let me smell your breath for real, for real, for real. Blow it in my face. Let me smell your breath since you want to talk about mine. I mean, I did have food. Okay. Let me smell it.
Get.
Your breath stank too then. We both have to brush our teeth. It's time to go to sleep.
There's a few more
Shabakas.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. We about to be out for the night. So we're up in the morning, y'all.
I just like that one, that spider thing.
Bouncing ball.
CJ wants you guys to know that he can jump on it twice. Go ahead. You see, practice make perfect. Ooh, you almost got it. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna end this vlog out because I just had I just have a lot to do. This video actually was supposed to be posted on Friday, but tomorrow I want to not do anything but promote my new song that I'm dropping tonight at midnight called Let's Talk About It. It's my new single, my brand new single.
All right, y'all, check out the song. I can't wait.
You know, it's interesting. It's like there's two different parts of me. Like, one is the family couple queen, and then there's like the artist QUEENNAIJA, where I have to like be an artist and drop music and promote and all that stuff. So after this, I'm gonna hop into my artist bag. I'm glad you guys got to see CJ open his gifts. I'm about to get ready to go live on YouTube tonight on my channel, the QUEENNAIJA channel. And yeah, and that's really about it. So we will see you guys in the next vlog. Update, we are planning a vacation. Hopefully the end of this month we can go out. I don't know where we're gonna go. Comment down below some places that we should go. I know I've been talking about Aspen, but I'm not sure if we should do cold or hot. So let me know, and make sure you guys tune in tonight. Make sure you guys go stream. Let's talk about it. And yeah, love you guys so much. See y'all. Peace out.
Peace.